KidsVision TV.
Hi kids and welcome back to my channel. Today I am covering a cute butterfly. Start by drawing. First I am drawing its cute face. Then I am drawing its eyes, its nose and its cheeks. Then I am drawing its body. Now it's time to draw its wing. You can draw with me.
Subscribe us for more videos.
I am drawing its antenna. Let's draw the circle in butterfly wings. It's time to color it. You can color with me. I am coloring its face with yellow color. I am covering its body with orange color. Covering its circle with pink color. Its lower wings. It's time to color its teeth. Coloring another wing with pink color. I am coloring its wings with sky blue color. Coloring its circle with blue color. Coloring another wing with sky blue color.